how the birds got their colors. This is the story of how the birds got their colors. Long, long ago in the dreamtime, when the land and animals were being made, all the birds were black, all one color, till one day a little dove flew around looking for food. He flew down to the ground to catch a big juicy grub. But instead he landed right on a sharp stick. It pierced his little foot and made him very sick. For days he lay on the ground in pain. His foot swelled up. He was dying. All his mates gathered around to see how they could help, all except Crow. He just wandered around with his hands behind his back. Suddenly, the parrot rushed forward with her sharp beak. Burst the little dove's swollen foot. Color splashed out all over the parrot. Red and green and blue ran down her chest, wings, and tail. It splashed out all over the other birds. Some got red, some brown, some blue, some yellow. Some got spots, some got stripes, all got colors. All except Crow. He was standing away from the others. Crow got no color at all. So that's how the bird got the colors. And as for the dove, he soon got better, thanked the parrot, and was able to fly away.